back to my channel. Today I'm talking about a new earning website. In this website you can invest a small amount of TRX and earn a large amount of TRX in it. I will discuss about all the information of this website. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. First of all, I will provide you a link in a description to register in a website and enter in this. For registration page you can see that a mobile number, login password, security password and a registered password is already entered. If you download and click here on my links and fill the captcha in this, you can fill captcha. After filling these all, it will click on a sign up page. After sign up you will be enter in our websites. I will resume the video after the making account. I successfully enter into the website involver.com // in the first you can see a Involver custom Telegram link. You can click and join the Telegram for the most updated news of these websites. Involver provides a potential cost fee effective way to mine Bitcoin, TRX and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. Both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will enable you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. And I click on a click close. You can read it all the information in the down. I will provide you a small information in it. We use TRX to purchase computing power and Involver to mine to obtain daily profit of up to 8%. After successful registration, your wallet will receive a reward of 1000 TRX. Involver will allocate computing power of you and you need to log into your account every day to receive mining revenue. Daily mining income wallet balance on the day multiply 8%. And you can read all the informations. I click on a close option. I will provide you all the information at the end of video, how to deposit, how to withdraw and how to work in it. First of all, we collect all the information of Involver. I click on the Involver app BERT.blogspot.com and I will provide you a link in this description of this article. You can read all the information. Dear friend, hello, I am high level administrator from to Involver app. My name is Bert and I am glad we cannot meet on Involver. If you read this blog post, then it proves that you have joined the Involver apps. Yes, your choice is correct. I promise maybe you cannot become a billionaire, but if you join the Involver app you can definitely make a good income from this app. This is true. If you have any question, you can add my Telegram consultation through this link. You can click on a link and chat with a human to ask your question and he will provide you the answer of the question very soon. Involver is a world-leading crypto asset management platform and a readable crypto cloud mining provider which provides product and tools to generate income from digital assets. This mission of Involver is to provide the user with simple, safe and readable and effective tools for digital asset management and to develop its ecosystem around the world. User can easily manage their crypto assets and earn crypto through from anywhere, anytime. And you can read and see these videos of about Involver crypto. And in the down you can see Involver crypto miners are manually distributed in Kazakhstan and North America. At present we plan to add 2 lakh mining machines built to 110 kilowatt substation and use dedicated wire to connect the data center and substation to deliver 2 km power to the mining. You can see the mining machines of this websites and all these about mining websites. And you can see that what are the cost of hash rate mining. One of is this cost of hash rate which is equivalent to the rent of hash rate. The second is management fees and electricity fees to maintain the normal operation of the mining rig. Management fees include mining from maintenance, development and maintenance of mining rigs, human resources expenditures, emergency fees and risk funds. Okay, I will first introduce the funds account in the Involver apps. First, wallet account. Deposit more than 10 TRX to open the wallet account. Withdrawal function. Withdrawal limit is 2% to 8% of your total recharge amount. Cumulated recharge 10 TRX x 4 to 4 500 5000 TRX. 2% of the total recharge can be withdrawal every day. Cumulated recharge 5000 TRX to 50,000 TRX of 3% of the total charge can be withdrawal every day. Cumulative recharge 5,000, and you can read all the information. I will provide you a link in a description. You can read it and gain information more about the crypto involver. And in the down you can see all the information and involver application link. You can download the application and join it. And after you can see the I will provide you a link of the involver application and all these informations. I go back to the account of involver, and you can first see a total platform announcement. Here you will see the announcements of platform, and in the down you can see the common problem, and in the down you can see deposit, withdrawal, share, team, and app, and logout. I will define deposit and withdrawal at the end. First I will see you the share option. You can click on share, invite your content or friends, and earn rewards. You can refer as many as more. You can gain a more TRX from it. Who's those copy this link, and you can copy this link and share with friends to join a more team. I will copy and send to your friends who join this and deposit in it. And in the down you can see your team. I have no team in this app. And in the down you can see option of apps. You can download the app and use in Android. In the down you can see a wallet. Your account wallet is 1000 TRX, which is equal to TRX is equal to $78.89. And in the down you can see a join to be a Tron millionaire. You can check out the detail of all its and use TRX. I will open the details of mining, and you can see a TRX miner is working plus 8%. This mining is already done and automatically working. And in the down you can see option of platform data display, accumulated profit, and memberships. You can see memberships of involver. And in the down you can see option of about us. Involver provides a potential cost effective mining method for Bitcoin, TRX, and cryptocurrency. And in the down you can see global partners, Binance, Bitamax, and these are the famous partners of global partners. And in the down you can see a trading option. I already discussed about it. And in this option you can see a sharing option, invite your content and refer. And in the end you can see a mine option. Here I will provide you information about how to deposit, how to withdraw. For depositing, you can click on a deposit option. Looking on the up of the deposit, you can click on the deposit method and recharge, request or recharge. You can click on a request or recharge. After request or recharge, and you can first click copy address. You can copy address and share to the balance from your account. I copy address and send him amount 14 to 11 TRX, and I resume the video after the transaction is done. And after transaction done, after in 1 minute my transaction done is shown in my account. I transfer 11 TRX which receive in my account. You can see my total balance, and here you can see at 11 TRX you can total deposit quantity. A minimum deposit quantity of 10 TRX or more will activate the account and enable the withdrawal function. Almost all wallet recharge will charge a minor fees. So if you recharge 10 TRX you need 11 TRX, and the minor fee will be collected by the official wallets. And I can you see the team profit list, transfer to basic, shares, notification, link, and app, and logout. And at the up of you can see a withdrawal option. You can see on our withdrawal options and sheet your basic account price and address and enter your secret pin. I fill all it and after see you in my wallet. First of all I see you my balance of my TRX 2020 जो भी in the you can see my balance total 0.455401, and I will confirm my withdrawal. You can see my withdrawal limit 0.22, and I confirm the withdrawal, and in this option you can see your withdrawal is done and we will be received it emergency and fast. And suddenly we receive a payment received from TRX. You can see now my total balance is 0.67454001. At the end I want to say my all friend please join it and deposit to take a greater reward in this. At the end I request my all viewers please subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video. Take care, goodbye.